Singsu Chabangu, the controversial secretary of the Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC), controversially skipped his own rally in Masvingo on Saturday. Dzatamira mashoko yakanoti Chabangu zvatambobvira taura kare tichiti mukomana uyu ngaachenjerere, noda kuti ngaasazviona seanozonchamisa. Akashedza for rally izvezvi, ndiani anouya achimusapota parally iyo. Zvisanapinda mashoko atoona kuti aiwa the skeleton walk yakunyatsozvipruvha kunyatsokuona kuti mukomana uyu kana munhu anomusapota. Anoti subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Zvipinda panapa pahendo yeZimbabwe yanyora kuti Chabangu, offensing as a figure with close ties to ZANU-PF, failed to attend the event at Muchekewo in Masvingo Urban, reportedly due to a disappointing turnout. His aides advised him against attending after assessing the situation, said a source familiar with the matter. This was supposed to be Chabangu's first provincial rally after he allegedly took over the Tukusi party with the help of ZANU-PF. The rally, which was meant to galvanize support in Masvingo, a region considered to be a stronghold of Tukusi leader Nelson Chamisa, was left in disarray after Chabangu's sudden change of plans. Masvingo is highly disappointed by Chabangu's failure to attend the provincial rally. A local observer commented, he knew that Masvingo is Chamisa's stronghold, but cancelled his visit at the last minute and endly. The event, described as poorly organized, saw a mere 10 members of parliament and senators in attendance. Key figures included Chief Whip Mulochwa, Chief Whip of the National Assembly Charles Moyo, Senator Linda Svanda, and others, including provincial council members, was a stark sign of discontent within the party. Thomas Kwanyaswa kuti aiwa hakuna kana vanhu vakati munhu atenda aiwa rally ya Singsu Chabangu iyo patonyarawo pati anchatonosvikepo topatoreva U10 ari muroad. Todze mafunguro emo todi pamusoro pechiitiko chimira comment section medu. Don't subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.